Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about noun and its types. A noun is a naming word. It is used to name a person, place, animal, thing or idea. Examples for noun: person like teacher, doctor, Deepa. Place, school, village, India. Animal, dog, cat, elephant. Thing, book, pen, table. Idea or feeling, happiness, honesty. Look at these sentences. Rahul is a student. The dog is barking. I live in a village. Honesty is the best policy. The word Rahul, student, dog, village, honesty are nouns. Types of nouns. There are five main types of nouns. First one is proper noun. A proper noun is the special name of a particular person, place, or a thing. For example, Deepa, Bengaluru, India, Monday. There are a special name of a particular person, place, or a things. Sentences: Deepa is learning English. India is a beautiful country. Proper nouns always begins with a capital letter. Second one is a common noun. A common noun is a general name of a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, girl, city, school, river. Sentences: The girl is reading a book. We study in a. Third one is collective noun. A collective noun refers to a group of people, animal, or things. For example, team, class, family, flock. Sentences: Our team won the match. A flock of birds is flying in the sky. And the fourth one is an abstract noun. Abstract noun names a quality, feeling, idea, or state that cannot be seen or touched. For examples, love, kindness, bravery, happiness. Sentences: Kindness is a great virtue. Happiness makes life beautiful. We cannot see or touch kindness or happiness, but we can feel them. Countable and uncountable nouns are two important types of nouns in English grammar. Countable nouns are things that can be counted individually, such as books, pens, apples, and students. They have both singular and plural forms, and we can use numbers with them. For example, we can say one book, two books, or three apples. On the other hand, uncountable nouns are things that cannot be counted individually. These include substances, materials, or abstract ideas such as water, milk, rice, and information. We do not usually use numbers directly with uncountable nouns. Instead of, we use measurements, words such as a glass of water, a cup of milk, or a bag of rice. Understanding the difference between countable and uncountable nouns helps us use English more accurately in both speaking and writing. Singular and plural nouns tell us whether we are talking about one thing or more than one thing. A singular noun refers to one person, place, or thing, such as a boy, girl, cat, or a book. A plural noun refers to more than one place, animal, or a thing. In most cases, we form plural nouns by adding s or es to the singular nouns. For example, boy becomes boys, book becomes books, and box becomes boxes. Singular nouns are usually used with singular verbs, while plural nouns are used with plural verbs. Learning singular and plural nouns helps us create correct sentences and communicate our ideas clearly in English. Understanding these types of nouns helps us improve our grammar and use words correctly in speaking and writing. Keep practicing by identifying different nouns around you, and you will become more confident in English. Thank you